Conjugation of the verb to build in 12 English tenses. I. 1. Simple present, I build. 2. Simple past, I built. 3. Simple future, I will build. 4. Present continuous, I am building. 5. Past continuous, I was building. 6. Future continuous, I will be building. 7. Present perfect, I have built. 8. Past perfect, I had built. 9. Future perfect, I will have built. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been building. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been building. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been building. Conjugation of the verb to build. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it builds. 2. Simple past. He, she or it built. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will build. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is building. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was building. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be building. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has built. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had built. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have built. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been building. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been building. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been building. Conjugation of the verb to build. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they build. 2. Simple past. You, we or they built. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will build. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are building. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were building. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be building. 6. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have built. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had built. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have built. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been building. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been building. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been building. Verb to build form. Verb to build form. Present simple I, you, we, they build. He, she, it builds. Past simple built. Past participle built. Ing form building.